Company with an experienced management team, strong clientele, and high promoters holding. Gokul Agro Resources Limited, an FMCG company. Company has over 40 years of experience in producing edible and non-edible oil. Its product portfolio includes soybean, mustard, palm, sunflower, groundnut, cottonseed, castor oils, and vanaspati. About 40% of the revenue is just generated from palm oil. Company markets and sells these products under its well-known brands, Vita Life, Mahak, Puff Pride, Bisco Pride, Richfield, and more. The company was incorporated in 2014 and got public in 2016. They are based in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, with more than 500 employees and 650 workers. Company has 4 manufacturing plants in Gujarat, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka, with refining capacity of 6,250 tons per day, with 75% capacity utilization. The market cap of the company is 5,439 crore rupees and currently trading at 184 rupees per share. The company has 23% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 26% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company offers more than 40 SKU, serves 28 states and union territories across India, with a strong network of 1,000 distributors. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. Promoters' holding has slightly increased in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign investments in the company. Company exports to more than 36 countries, with revenue concentration of 95% from domestic and 5% from exports. Some clients of the company are Parle, ITC, Britannia, Sunraja Oil, Balaji Wafers, Godrej, Cover, Alnor, Nirma, and more. Top 5 clients contribute about 20 to 25% revenue. In August 2025, the long-term and short-term debt rating of the company has been upgraded by CRISIL. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.